Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to swap BNB to Solana in Binance. Alright, so your first step would be to open up Binance. Make sure you have an account on Binance. With your account, simply click on the add funds option, click on deposit crypto, and easily deposit your BNB tokens on Binance. That's on the application. Once you've deposited your cryptocurrencies here, you could go through to your wallet to confirm that your BNB tokens are here. Now, in order to swap them to Solana, click on the convert icon you find on your screen. And where we have from to, in place of from, select or search for BNB. Click on the BNB token. And where we have to, simply search for Solana. Click on the Solana token. Enter the amount of BNB you wish to convert into Solana and click on trade. Once you've clicked on trade, the transaction will be completed and you'd find your Solana on your wallet. Alright guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.